Good day. I'm going to share with you my stock plan for the September month. So let's go.
So in the content, I'll talk about my journey and then the September month overview, the reflection of the July stock plan and how does it perform until now. And basically the technical setup that I'll be looking in this month. Next, I will go into my stock and crypto position.
So my journey started in 2020 February with a portfolio of 150,000 with iFast. By September 2020, it's already making 150,000 profit. So there's the portfolio. As of September that year, it's about 300,000 and more than half of it is coming from profit. So in 2021 to 23, I have steadily tried other platforms like Proyum, DBS Well, and Ting and Swim. The reason is because I was looking into a platform that is easy to use and also lower in trading fee. I exited from the stock portfolio somewhere in July 2021 with a profit of 400,000. The highest was 700,000 in my stock portfolio. So I didn't manage to exit at the highest peak. And I start to sell learn option in 2022 and 23.
So in the learning process of the option in 22 and 23, I have actually made about 150,000 losses. It just shows that it's not so easy for a person to actually sell learn. So in 2024, while continuing the learning on the option side, I am also day trading the crypto market. The reason is because crypto is becoming more and more important into the market itself with President Trump coming in. So in that year, 24, I done near to 1,600 trade with a trade in and out amount accumulated over the whole year that is about 3 million. So as I end the year of 2024 with a year to date of 40%, now in 2025, I'm trading more on two time frame. One is a shorter time frame of 1 to 2 weeks. The other one is the 6 to 8 month time frame. I have yet break the record that I have done before in January 2021, where in 1 month time making a profit of about near to 30,000 USD. So next, let's look into the market indices. Firstly, on the Nasdaq. Nasdaq has regained back into the channel and now is forming very nice price action formation within this channel itself. So therefore, it will still be within this channel formation and in the next 2 to 3 months time. Next, let's look into the IWM indices. IWM indices itself have now touched the upper portion of the rectangular box. And upon touching, I will believe that there will be some retest and test of the upper resistance areas. So next, let's look into the Hang Seng indices. Hang Seng indices is now performing very well, and as shared before, Hang Seng now is reversing its previous downtrend, and potentially for Hang Seng for the next 1 to 2 years, it will still be moving into this uptrend type of channeling. So with that, let's look into the video that was made in July where I talk about the stock trading plan that I'm planning for then for the August and September month. Hello, a very good day, and today I'm going to share with you on July and what is the stock and crypto setup. Let's go. So let's look at the QQQ. In the previous month, I was talking about QQQ going within the channel. As you can see, the QQQ now is moving in back to the channel. And then the price action of Russia's indices is still in the channel. It's on a bit on the high side. I would like to say that a potential hit on the upper area of the channel will be much more possible in the coming future. Next, let's look into Hang Seng. Hang Seng have been moving outwards. So if you look at Hang Seng, maybe a multi-year, 2 or 3 years of slowly moving up will now be much more possible with the
with the bottom being formed at 1,500 to 15,000 to 16,000.
So welcome back. And if you look into the July stock planning video, it actually mentioned about the Russell Index QQQ at that point of time is showing much more positive trend. And as of now, if you look into the tactical side of the Nasdaq, you can see after the bottom formed in April, basically QQQ have formed two box, green box, and now it's moving into the range of 560 to 590. Therefore, the probability is much more higher for QQQ in the next 2 to 3 weeks time to perform a rip up above and then retest at the resistance area around the 590 portion. So let's look into the equity portfolio. For equity portfolio itself, I'm actually about 25% in stock, 5% in option, and the rest of it I'm actually holding cash. So this portfolio was formed since January 2024. Year to date for the 2025, I'm doing about 1,200 trade, and the starting fund of this portfolio is about 70,000. As of this year, I have withdrawn out about 55,000 out of this portfolio, and it's doing quite well last year with a 40% profit, and this year to date is about 56% profit with the highest return. So for the crypto portfolio, you can see that there is some changes that is done versus the last 4 to 5 months. So the bigger changes that I've done is half of my BTC is already been sold away, right? And then on the Ethereum portion, I have sold about 1/4 of my holding. And if we look into the illustration, basically this selling away action have actually returned me back on near to majority of my fund that was started in November 2023. As of today, the cash position plus the uh, crypto holding, I'm actually doing about 82%. Let's look into the BTC chart. You can see from the BTC chart, it's forming within a big green box formation, and BTC is fluctuating within those three smaller boxes. There isn't very clear directional projection at this point of time in BTC. So for the September market strategy is very similar to what is projected in the previous video. I mentioned about in the mid of September, the next 1 to 3 weeks time, they potentially will be much more market volatility. So for that aspect, I'm willing to position more of my cash into the market using the two-leg option. So on the right square, you can see that that is the number of trade I done this year and also the profit as well. So roughly that generated about 56% of the profit year to date. Hence, if you like what I'm sharing so far, please do like, share and subscribe so that you can get my later video that I'm going to talk about in the end of September, whether in terms of the market projecting, how it will be in the October time frame. So happy trading, take care and talk to you soon.